Right then. Okay, so BeebSpriter update. BeebSpriter update. Enough of me ranting. So yeah, you never know. Next season, I might not have anything to do on a Tuesday. So he gets his way. Right, BeebSpriter. So we've got some pull requests in. We got 3 pull requests. So we've got fix the menu item. I've seen this. Replace color and negative color on the sprite editor, and fixing the palette, which were issues, or which are issues. There's the menu. And there's the color palette. So that's going to sort out two of the issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to merge one at a time. Yeah. And just to see if everything's all right. So that's going to development. You can start now here. Welcome, Andy. Welcome. Right, let's see what's changed. So that's all. That's the only thing that's changed in the designer. Right. I'm not in my VS yet. I'm not in VS yet. Right. So let's get this. Let's get this imported. Yeah. So that looks like, and that's probably going to merge automatically, which it is. Right, let's get that in.
That's because I wrote it. It's perfect.
As it should be, mate. As it should be. Right, so this is the interesting one. Come on. Oh, we got a bit of a conflict. Oh, it's only one file. Good. Good. Right, so let's see if we can resolve the conflict. Right, what's changed? Oh, he's fixed the menu. He's fixed the menu as well. This is fixing the menu, I think. Because the only things that were in there was left to right tool, flip up and down. So he's got. What's he got in there? Tool. Oh, he's left the shift left and right in there. I thought we'd moved them. Oh, he's put them in. Oh, he's put them in the. He's put them in the selection. Is he online? Is Fizzgog online?
Don't look like it.
No, it doesn't, does it? Oh well. I might leave that one. Because I think... Because we moved the shift left to the transform. We moved the shift to the transform, so I'm just wondering if he's not refreshed. The branch, or if he did refresh the branch, you didn't create another branch off development, because this is clearly not right, because there's another one as well. Hang on. Next, I wonder if the other one's the transform. Yeah, it is. So all right, so this is what it's taking out. Right, okay. Now I know what the problem is. We'll see what we can do. Right, so flip left, right, flip up and down. So basically this, and this should be taken out. I don't think this has changed. Yeah, because this is the transform. So where's he putting it in? Right, so this is his version, and then we've got the transform. Hang on. Where's his video? Where's his video where he posted it? There it is. No. Oh yeah, that's it. So where is it? Oh, he's created. Right. Okay. So he's created a new. He's created a new menu. Hang on. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. Here it is. So it's created a new menu called color. Right, so the menu is not included in this. So basically this is an example of not it looks like it's an example that he's used the same branch that he did the previous development in. Instead of creating a new branch off the development one when we updated it. And it's trying to reverse what we've put in, yeah? So basically we get rid of that and keep what we have in development. So we'll get rid of that. And we keep what we've already got. But his stuff is down here. Yeah, his stuff's down here at the bottom. Yeah, right. Let's mark as resolve. And do the merge. Right, last one, which is to fix the edit colors, and we don't seem to have a problem. We're going to development. P101 6502 rules. Nice one, Phaze. Right, let's just have a quick look at what he's changed. Oh, so that's just changing from this. Right, okay. I'm not going to do anything about that. I'm not going to do anything about that. What's in here? You have an empty method. We'll have to take that out. And you have added a setting. Alright then. So it thinks that we should be able to do this, so let's do it. Right, merge. Right, so let's update the project. So we have got that. So that's now in test. That's now in test. I think I already moved. Yeah, so that's now in test. Right, so that's updated that, I think. Icons, yeah. Right, that's updated the project. So, let me get in here. Right, I want to delete that branch. I want to delete that branch. Manage branches. Right, because there's nothing in it. I didn't do anything about it, so I'm going to delete it. Can I delete it? I should be able to delete it, shouldn't I? I haven't got any outstanding commits. Oh, maybe it won't delete because I'm actually on it. Right, let's just swap branch. Right, I should be able to delete that branch. Yeah. Right then, I'm in development, so I'm going to do fetch. So that should go away. We've got 8 changes, so we're going to do a pull. Right, so we should, oh, resource file didn't get moved across. Resource file didn't get moved across. Oh, it did. Let me close that down and restart it. Oh, by the way, I upgraded VS. And you're right, Phaze. It is a lot slower than it was. Absolute horror. It's horrific. It's way slower than it was before. Yes, mate. VS is a lot slow. I upgraded from, what was it, 17.3.1 to 17. What are we on now? 17.74. And this is a lot slower than the 3.1 that I was on before. A lot slower. Yeah, it's not in there. 181. Well, they are. They are there. Right, okay. So, because they are there, I am going to do this. So I'm going to do a clean, which will get rid of everything, and then I'm going to do a rebuild. There we go. That's fixed it. That's fixed it. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. No, mate. No, I wasn't streaming when I did the upgrade. Because Phaze on stream was saying that my VS was running quick, and I thought, really? You know, I'm streaming and he says it's quick. So when you guys on Monday told me that you was running 17.74 and I was on 17.31, I think it was. So after the stream, I updated Visual Studio, and then when I used it after that, oh my god, it was just ridiculously slow. And now I understand why Phaze was complaining. No, there's no going back. You can't go back to an old version. It won't let you. Right then. Right, let's see. Let's see if these things are done. Right, so we fixed. What did we fix? Right, so we need to go in one, don't we? So we fixed. Oh, we fixed the exit, yeah? Yes, right. That's number one done.
And it warns you if you need to save first.
Say what? Say what, Saucy?
It does warn you if it's got unsaved set.
Yeah, I saw that in the code. I'm just. I mean, it didn't stop before, did it? It didn't exit before. At least it does now. Right. So the other ones are in the editor. Oh, can you see what's wrong there? Can you see what's wrong there?
Foreground, background, and too many colours.
The zoom's gone.
Zoom's gone.
Yeah, the zoom's gone. where's that then? Why is that not on the screen then? Cool, this one saying bites. Yeah, the zoom's gone. Oh, hang on. Oh, sorry, that's me. I put the zoom in. It's on my branch. That was me. That was my bad. My bad. My bad. That's on my branch that I haven't sent in yet. The zoom is here, look. The zoom's here, but I have done it. In fact, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. But I'd put a wheel zoom in on this, so it would zoom via the wheel. But the menu system doesn't work anyway. Look. Right, hang on. Let's. Oh, we're gonna have to sort the menus out. I'm gonna have to do that.
Ah! What a plank.
Well, it's not quite a plank. It's just have a memory issue on my side. Right, let's do the colour change. Let's see if the colour change works. So let's pick something colourful like that.
John, you muppet.
Right, edit, colour, replace colour. Right, so we're going to replace cyan with green. There we go. So that's working. Negative. Nice. So let's replace green with red. Nice. Nice. And last but not least is what was the last thing that was fixed? Left click a colour and right click a colour. Hang on, are you talking to me, SP? Right click a colour, left click a colour. No, I don't think Oh, it's, yeah, okay, yeah, it's this. It's not fixed. That's not fixed. So Phaze, what did you change? Well, that's just inserting comments. We've got to get rid of this. What changed? Yeah. There's no on clicks in there. There's no on clicks in there. But we've added a method that shouldn't be there because it's empty. Right, okay. Right, let's do a quick. Right, so let's do this. Right, so that one is not working, so we'll put it back into the size has changed because he's got a 4K screen. Phaze has got a 4K screen. Right, his nibs has just woken up. I'm going to kick him out, so I'll be back in a second, yeah. So I'll just start Codebreaker and I'll get him kicked out. Right, let's fix this editor problem. Let's get in here. Right, so the problem is none of the, it looks like none of the click events are there. So this is draw. So that's that one. This one's fill. That one. This one is insert. That one. This one's delete. Are those buttons the right way round? Are those buttons the right way round? That, I think that's delete and that's insert. I'll do what it, I'll attach the method that's got the name in it. But I do believe that those are the wrong way round. That's no, I think that's delete. I think that's delete. Oh. That's going to be interesting because I think these buttons are the wrong way around. Whoever's project managing this needs a kick in. Yeah, right. I think that's in the original code and we can easily look because I can go to the original code anyway. What's that? Oh, select. Select. This one's paste. Come on. This one is resize. Resize. That is nothing. That's all there is. Right. So what's this? Button transparent. Button transparent. Oh, okay. Insert row, first one should be really insert column. Yeah, I think so too. What's that one? Button color 0, right, okay. Let me save this. Oh, I didn't really want to be doing this. I want to do some beef stuff. Yeah, that's what I mean. Hey D-Type, welcome. Alright. So there's methods that we haven't got. What's double? Oh, is it doing the same thing for the double click as well? Yeah, but we need to. I don't think we've got them in the new version, to be honest. Let's have a look. Sprite editor. Yeah. Well, we do. We do. They're there. Right, let's look for them. We do. So, button color transparent. Click. It's got to be in there somewhere. But they're not. See if it shows the double clicks. No. Now does it find it? Oh, it's created a new one. Oh, right. The arguments are different. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Back up, back up. Before I completely screw this up. It is the same method, isn't it? It definitely is the same method. Right. Right. Let's see if we see them now. So, do we see that one? Yes, we do. Right, if we click on that one, which is button 0, do we see it now? Yes, we do. So the arguments have changed. So that was a conversion issue. What's this? 3, 4, 5. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Seven, 8, 9, I may have to go and rescue him. I think he's stuck. Where are we? 10.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh dear. Straight away. Thank you, Gary. Yeah, he was stuck on the third to the top step. You got yourself stuck, didn't you, mate? Oh, you can smell that, can't you? Hey. Hang on then. There we go. Ugh, that took some cutting. Right, you're going to use your nose. There you go. Use your nose. Right, 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Right. Let's save that. Now there is a double click. There is a double click event on these, but I don't think it sees it. No, it doesn't. So, so it must be the same problem with the double click as well. But now this doesn't work. Yeah, he loves the duck. He doesn't touch anything else. Hey! Chew! Right, let's see if this just works, because the double click is not there either. So oh, so it's still not liking it.
What's the use of double click on the colour selection?
What, in the original you mean?
Yeah, what function did it perform?
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I think this is going to be a core difference between the two, because the event arguments are not working. Right.
Not pull through the colours.
I don't know, mate. So
it cycles the colours in the original if you double click.
So if we click and then double click. All right, so it redefines the colour when you double it. Right, so it redefines the colour when you double it. Okay. So now we know what it does. No, I don't want to save. Now we know what it does. So we've got a problem here. You shouldn't swallow it so fast. Eh? You shouldn't swallow it so fast. Look at him down there looking at me. That should be defined in the functional spec document. Yes, mate, it should, but we haven't got one because we're nicking somebody else's code. So we're living with what
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh, Gary.
Thank you very much.
Gary.
You guys really spoil me.
Not me.
Right. Uncle Gary's give you some more luck, yeah? There you go. Go sniff them out.
I think you need to be careful at Doctor.
Oh, is it Docster? Hang on. No, Docster says it was you.
He said it was. You know what he's like.
Right. So we got a problem here. Right. So let's undo these back to what they were, and the translucent one. Right. So we've got a problem. Right. So let me just redo that one. So button, what's button? Gets which mouse button was pressed. Right, it's getting the mouse button that was pressed. So that's sender. That's sender. Surely that's sender. Right, this is the original. I'm going to put a breakpoint on there just to find out. I think that's sender. Right. Probably that's why they changed it in .NET because... Okay. Right, so I'm going to click 0, which is black. Here we go. Right, so what's sender? Sender. Sender is a panel. Sender is a panel. E.button is left. Oh! The button click. Right. Right. Okay. Okay. So E.button is actually the mouse button click. But we know what it is because we've just done left click. Oh no. No, because you can double hit the right button as well, can't you? Okay. Right. So we need to figure out what's in here. GitHub examples, Control Alt %, hashtag. Let's do that instead. So what's in event args? I want to know what's in event args. I know. I know. F1. Is it going to give me the structure of event args? No. Brilliant. Right, so this... Right, let me just see what this method's doing because I'd like to know why he wants to know which button it is. Oh, it's to do the arrays. Okay. Elvis has left the building, has he, or is he back? Right. I need to know what's in event args so we can send in which mouse button has been clicked. That is strange that it's different. It's strange that it's different. Unless there's a mouse click.
There's an event mouse click.
Yeah.
Click.
Right, hang on. Hang on. There's a mouse click. Right, let's whoa, cancel. Come on. Oh, what are you talking about? Undo. Yeah. Let's do it this way. Right, so we need to attach it to the mouse click, not just the click. And I bet I've just attached it to the click. Right, so let's go into the designer. Where's the designer? We can do it quickly there. In there, right. So this needs to be mouse click. Right, once I've done this, then you'll know that the double click is going to be the same. Is that them all? 8? Is that them all? Looks like it, doesn't it? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 15, 11, 14, 10, 8. That looks like it's done it. That's a weird order, isn't it? Can somebody put those in order? Yeah. I was just about to say, that's a weird order. Right. Let's just see if we've got it right. You shouldn't eat them so fast, mate. You shouldn't eat them so fast. Right, red. Here we go. Green. Yellow. Blue. Right, so if I right click, oh, it's changed it. It changed the right click. Right, got it. Right, let me just might as well.
Yeah, the preview at the top of the palette doesn't update.
The preview at the top's not changing. You know about this one here?
Yep, yeah, that's the one.
Right. Let's have a quick look at what it's doing. Current colour. Right, so I need current colour, don't I? Current colour.paint. There it is. Right, that is not attached. I don't think that's attached. No. There we go. Oh, mate, come on. Right, where's the double click? There it is. Is that going to show the double clicks? Yes, it is. To be honest, this could have been done in one method. This could have been done in one method. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which I might change. 8, and I'll explain what I mean. 9, 10, 11, 12. This is boring for you guys. What am I on? 13. $14. 15. Right, this can be done in one method. Right. So if I go into the sprite editor and we do this change palette, if we go to the change palette, this can be done in one method, right? Where he was hoping for a hot tub. This.
Oh my God, more bits?
Oh, Docster.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh dear. I've got to change that message to you guys really spoil Aston. Hang on, mate. There's another one coming. Don't get settled down too soon. I've just got to cut through it or you'll end up choking on it if I don't. And I've just edited that video. Don't want to do them sort of edits again. Here you go, buddy. Uncle Docster. Say hello to Uncle Docster. That's it. Look at the camera. Right. What I mean by this is we could assign.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Feeling left out, Gary? Oh dear. I'm trying to explain what I'm talking about. Right, that can be ready when he's finished. There we go. He's got it ready. Look at him. He can sniff it. He just don't want to get out of bed. Right. You see this here? This button colour. We could just have one generic method, yeah? So if let's just...
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Right, I'm just going to mark down that I owe him one. Alright, Docster? Thank you for the bits, by the way. And Gary. I'll just mark it down. Right, what I'm on about is this. Right, we could make one function. Instead of doing button colour 0, button colour 1, button colour 2, we could have, right, just button colour mouse click. Right? Button colour mouse click. And then in this change colour, instead of sending, 0, 1, 2, 3, because, I mean, what is the 0 for? Let's have a look. What's the 0 for? Index. I mean,
oh my God, thank you very much. You guys really spoiled me.
Hey Proton, thank you for the bits, mate. I'll just put it down here. I'll add it to the list. Cool, he's going to be fat by the time he's finished. Right. So we have one colour, yeah? And what we can do is in the designer, right? Because he's using an index and not anything, we could put in the button, right? We could use this. There's a thing called tag, yeah? And you could put a 0 in there, yeah? So in each one of the button's tags, you could put the number, the index, yeah? And then in here, all you would be doing is you'd be going, yeah, that's my demo one, sender.tag. I think it's a panel. So at the moment it's erroring because I haven't got quite the class that it should be. It's probably Windows. Hang on. What's the class? Let me just leave that there. We'll go back in the design and I'll grab the class. Hang on. So it's System Windows Forms Panel. System.windows.forms.panel. Right, and then we could send the tag in. Yeah. You've PM'd me a picture. All right, I'll go on that. I will go on that tomorrow. Get him some treats. Get him some more treats. Have you got them all? I sent you a link to the duck Mikroman sent me, but it's much softer. Right. Got ya. Yeah. Yeah. I'll go and grab some of them. I'll do that tomorrow. You finished? Here we go. There's Uncle Gary. There's some more for you. Right. So yeah. So this is the object, yeah. So we would do the tag. Now the tag, because the tag, hang on, let's put that back in. So is it a different error message? I'm casting it as a panel. He drunk the duck. So we could then send in the if I do that, say for example, because I think it's an integer he sent. It's an integer, isn't it? Yeah. We could convert the tag from being a string to an integer, and we could send it in, and then we just link each one of those buttons to that one method. So I will do that. I will do that on a different branch just to show you how we can optimize this, because this is inefficient. So I will do that. And hard to maintain, yeah. So so the double clicks need to be done as well. Have I done all the double clicks? Did I do them all? Yes, I did. I did them all. Right, what else? The zoom wasn't working, was it? And sure enough, it's not there. So what's this? Tool strip menu item 2. These need. I'm not doing that. I'll name them properly anyway. So I am what? So the right. Let me submit these changes to the dev branch. Right, let's do that, and let's push it to the dev branch. Right, so if you now do a fetch on the dev branch, you'll get those the color palette fixes. But I'm gonna change some of the names and stuff like that. The only problem is if I change the names, when you do changes, it's going to completely screw it up. So I'm just wondering what's the best way of doing this. Is the best way for me to resolve the naming issues and then push it back to development and then tell you guys that that's the new one. Hey Casper, I think that's probably the best bet, isn't it? If I resolve all the names and then push it to the development and then tell you guys there's a new version out there with all proper names, because it's driving me nuts, all these names that are not there. Right. Oh, I've got so much to do on this. Oh, anyway. So that's that. Okay, so an hour and a half doing that. We ain't even done any thingy. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.